guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a follow-up hair review on the Ishow Beauty hair. This was a 26-inch body wave, I believe. I showed this hair about a month or so ago, actually before I moved here. So I'm just going to, as you can see, honey, the hair has been worn and styled previously. I'm just going to revamp the hair in this video just to show you that it does hold curls. I'm going to be using my daughter as a model because I already have a unit on and I do not want to reapply it. So just stay tuned. If you're interested, information will be down below. Okay, you guys, so now that I'm done putting in the wand curls, I'm just combing through it with my fingers and a paddle brush, and it went right back to its beautiful state. As you can see here, honey, it still retained its luster. Okay, she's doing the most. So anyway, you guys, if you're interested in this hair, do not forget to check the description bar down below for the information on this hair and any other hair that they may have on the site. Working with this company is an absolute joy. I love it. So I will catch you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.